Hello and welcome to the e-ink pads binder app walkthrough. Notice the first screen that you're presented with is the connect screen. There's two fields. The first field is related to your IP address. Your IP address is found under your tablet settings. If you're on the Remarkable Pro, you're going to have to enable developer mode in order to see this. So the second field is your device password. Now don't get confused with the passcode that you set when you step away from your Remarkable and it shuts off and you put your passcode in. That's not the Remarkable password. The Remarkable password is actually on the same screen where you found your IP address here. Okay, so I can show it, I can hide it. Let's go ahead and connect. Actually, before we connect, let's look at these three options. I think this is something that I should show you. So notice the lock icon. This is saying that your device is connected. It's actually not, you have to connect in. The second field is saying that, okay, you do have an internet connection. So that's working. The third icon is actually that you have a stable USB connection. So everything looks good. I'm going to go ahead and hit connect. Notice that we're connected, and what we're presented we're presented at first is the templates that are available on your tablet. Notice the lock icon. These locks icon indicate that these templates are the ones that ship default with your Remarkable tablet. We lock them because we don't want you to either delete them or edit them. You should only be able to delete the ones that you actually upload custom to you. So you can go ahead and scroll down. This is the app version that you're currently running. This button, Restore All, I'll talk about that a little bit later. But what you're presented with right now are all the templates on your tablet. Okay? If you get stuck here and nothing loads up, let's say the connection gets stale, you can go ahead and reload it, and it's going to reload all the templates that you have currently on your tablet. So you notice I have 80. I can also do a search in here. Let's say I want to filter the ones that I want to show up here. If you notice it returns the two that I searched for. Let's go ahead and hit clear and go back to the beginning. You can also filter your templates by category. Okay, these are the categories that are on your tablet. So let's select the creative ones. It'll show the ones that are in the creative category. You can select lines. It'll show the ones that are in the lines category. And then you can actually swap if you want to sort ascending or descending there. So let's go ahead and clear this out, and I'll show you how to upload a template. So you can go ahead and hit upload. It's going to go to a folder on your computer, and I'm going to select this. Now notice that there's a PNG extension here. All of your templates will always be a PNG template, okay, a PNG file image. Remarkable requires that it is a PNG. You can't upload anything else. It can't be a PDF, can't be a zip file, can't be a JPEG. It always has to be a PNG. So let's go ahead and upload it here. I upload it, it's going, and then it refreshes, and it's going to show at the bottom here. So this is the one I just uploaded. These are the ones that I actually have on my tablet that are custom. So I go ahead and double click, and I go into the preview mode. So here I can actually update my template. I can say, oh, I want it to be moved to another category. If I select this, it will move the template to the other category, or I can actually change the icon. Now this icon is on your Remarkable. You'll notice when you go and select the template in template settings, you'll notice a grid of all the templates on your tablet. Okay, they'll be represented by these specific font icons. Okay, so I'm going to actually find the one that I most likely use all the time. I'm going to select this one. Okay, so now this assignment, a log is assigned to this template on my tablet. Okay, I hit done. It's going to save it, and there we go. Okay, you can also reload it. It shows you how many templates you have on here. You can go here and you can actually see the custom screens. If you just say you want to modify a screen on your tablet. Most like a lot of our users use this if they want to put their address on one of the screens. Let's say they're in a coffee shop and they leave it by mistake. Well, somebody can get the tablet and they can see, you can see the phone number or your contact information, and they can reach out to you, say, hey, I found your tablet. There's other ways you can use these screens. You could put your favorite cat photo or something like that as it's loading up. You could actually put your logo to brand your business as the tablet is loading up. So that's the power of screens. You can actually, if you have a favorite football team, you could actually replace one of these screens with the image that represents that. So on the left here, you'll notice that there are several options. If I hit restart, it will actually restart your tablet. So if you saw any of our other videos about the restart option, in order for your tablet to show up any custom settings, screens, templates, you have to restart your tablet. You have to power it on and power it off. This option is amazing because what it does is it saves the button on your tablet. If you keep pushing that tablet button, over time it's probably going to wear out because it's spring loaded. Okay, this clean option, what it does is as you keep using your tablet over time, what it does is it stores information on your tablet like references. Okay, stuff that is basically you'll never use, but it takes up space. So if you hit clean, what it does, it will wipe all those unnecessary files. If you notice that your template is running sluggish, it's probably because you've never done this. Okay, so one thing that with our apps, we do offer a lot of options that actually maintain your tablet. There's nothing. We're the only one out there that actually have one app that actually can maintain your tablet as you're making custom changes here. So you notice that the notebook sections, I haven't showed you that. So if I go into notebooks, what this is, it's going to take some time because what it's doing is it's using a USB cable. You have to have USB cable, your USB connection enabled to use this section because what it does is it uses that so to bypass the remarkable cloud. Okay, is to access all of your notebooks. What you can do from here is you can download them. If I click download, what it's going to do is it will actually download all of the notebooks on your tablet, convert them to PDF, and put them into a folder on your computer. So let's just say you don't have internet connection. You're in the airport and you want to actually download and access a PDF before you get on the flight. With the Remarkable app, you cannot do that because the Remarkable app requires an internet connection. Binder does not. It relies on your USB connection, so you can always have access to your notebooks at any time. You notice that there is an icon here. It doesn't have any representation of your notebook. That's because we don't actually download it until you click on it. We do that just to save space on your computer and also so it doesn't actually hit your internet connection. So notice that this is my dummy notebook and it was modified 2 years ago. Okay, but now if I go back here and hit done, takes a minute, it's going to show up that icon of the actual notebook once it loads up again. Okay, it'll show it up. Okay, give it a second. Well, anyway, so you notice that all of these notebooks on inside of Binder are actually the ones that are downloaded because you see the thumbnail. Okay, and then all the folders that you see up here actually match up with what's on your Remarkable tablet. So we always keep that synced up here. And there's that actual icon here that I actually clicked in. You can see it's there now. There's a lot going on right now. It's still downloading. It says it's actually downloading to your computer. Over here, you have an actions panel. Actions panel, what that does is you can create actions like a store templates on my documents folder. We'll just say that. You can actually click this. So what I want to do is I want to export notebook to folder. I choose the folder on my computer, let's say right here, and I hit open, and then if I assign this action, it's there, and I hit save and create. I go back here, I'm done, and then I have two tasks here right now. And what I can do is select the one that I just created, and I can edit it again. Let me just remove this one here. And then if I run the action, it's actually going to take all the notebooks that I have on my tablet. It's going to move it to the folder, the task that I just created. So there we go. Pretty much all of the functions here that you can do with Binder. There's several more that are coming. We're always working on our apps. Stay tuned. We have a lot of exciting new features being added in Remarkable Pro. There's a lot of new features that we can work on. Just be close to your emails as we are updating our app, so you'll be notified when there's a new app version available to you. Thank you so much for using our apps, and have a wonderful day.